Hi everyone, today I'm back with a new French lesson. So just like every month, I will teach you some basic French like pronunciation, grammar, but also vocabulary, and some French expression. So now let's start with some French pronunciation. So today we're going to learn this. So when those two letters are together, we will have the sound E. Let's see now a few words with these two letters together. Je peux peur. So now let's learn some French grammar. So today we're going to learn some demonstrative adjectives. So let's look at them. So we have ce, cette, c'est. So of course you will have to use those demonstrative adjectives in different settings. So now let's look one. Ce will be used with a masculine noun, just like in ce château, ce bateau. Cette will be used in from masculine noun, which start with a vowel and also a H silent. Just like in this, cet arbre, cet homme. So cet will be used in form of feminine noun, just like in this sentence, cette femme or cette robe. And c'est will be used in front of plural nouns. So just like in this example, ces arbres, ces photos. So that's all for the grammar part. Now we are going to review the vocabulary that we saw during this video. So we use today those words: je, peux, peur, château, bateau, arbre, homme, femme, robe, photo. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next month with a new French lesson. Bye!